Alright guys, we're just doing an update here. It's a video. A lot of our customers have seen our videos where we got the turn signals, the first generations that we made, that actually hyper flash. So I've been telling a lot of our viewers and customers that we now have these special bulbs for the Toyota CHR 2018. This is the XLE base model, not the premium, but it'll work on the premium as well. So as you can see right now, the bulb is functioning like normal and it's highly more brighter than the stock bulbs. So you can see it right there in action. You can see it actually works. And one cool thing about this is that usually if you can get one bulb to work, if you either use resistors or you got a high intensity bulb that pulls 21 watts or more, they shouldn't go more than that, but if you happen to get that, then it'll actually affect the rest of the lights as well. So you can see on this one, it doesn't do that. It still retains its normal function. It is going to be way much brighter than normal. Okay, so I'll show you how we install that, and you can see a view of how the actual bulb looks like. The front ones are BAU 15S. That's the style of bulb it uses, and I'll show you how the bulb looks as well. Okay, so it's not a 3157, it's a BAU 15S. Okay, so let's go back to the back right now. So I've already taken off the passenger side tail light, and as you can see right here, that's exactly what the bulb looks like. Okay, and as you can see, nothing else is added, it's just the bulb itself. So no resistors required for this specific style of bulb. Okay, if you wanted to order these or check them out, the name for these are the T7440. Okay, that's what you're gonna need, the T7440. That's the new generation of LED bulbs that don't require resistors for our bulbs. Okay, because if you just get the normal 7440, then it will hyper flash. Okay, so in case you're interested in these, the model number is T7440. Okay, so pretty much just plug and play. These are polarity protected, so if you connect it one way and it doesn't light up, just disconnect it, turn it around, reconnect again, and you should be good to go. Okay, so pretty much just install. Let's see, help me out real quick. So we'll light it up right now. And as you can see, no hyper flash, no resistors needed as well. And if you go to the front, you notice that it also does not affect the lights as well. And the cool thing about this type of vehicle is very simple to work with and very simple to replace. So let me pop up the hood right now to show you what's inside. Okay? So we'll remove the driver's side because it's not on, because these do get hot. So you want to make sure you don't burn yourself. Very simple to get to. That's how the bulb looks like. Okay, and same thing, no resistors, nothing. It's just the bulb itself. It's a bit warm. Let me pull that real quick. And again, like I was saying, you're gonna need the BAU 15S T model. Okay, so make sure you let them know if you want these. Okay, other than that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thank you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.